Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel, guys. Today's video is 7 insane crypto altcoins set to 100x by the Bitcoin halving, which is in 30 days. We have 7 insane crypto altcoins set to 100x by the Bitcoin halving. The first coin is Alphabet. The second coin is Perry Finance. The third coin is Odds. The fourth coin is Apollo. The fifth coin is Sora. The sixth coin is Zookeeper. The seventh coin is Carbon. Once again, guys, these are 7 insane crypto altcoins set to 100x by Bitcoin halving. They are Alphabet, Perry Finance, Odds, Apollo, Sora, Zookeeper, and Carbon. Do your own research. Thank you for following the channel. Join us at cryptomillion.co for pump coins, meme coin pumps, and crypto pump coins. Thank you. Join us at cryptomillion.co. Thank you.